Other things we do is we soak some almonds. Give or take, it's a pint. Usually leave them overnight, but they've been in there for about 3 hours now. Get them pretty plump. Full spotty. And sometimes we do some of this. Pretty darn good. Vanilla. All that good stuff. It's got everything. Shag, a raw sport. Not sponsored, but I'd like to be. And then I don't know, I'll neck a pint or so now. I'm going to do a surplus. I'll have some tomorrow. That's all you got to do. And then I showed this the other day. I'm going to add some of that. Or you all like rice milk, almond milk, oat milk, whatever of choice. Plenty of them out there now, even in your bog standard supermarkets. And then ideally, I bought this 6, 7 plus years ago. Can't go wrong with one of those. As I said before, if you put too much in or whatever, or the blade kind of clogs up, it'll just fuse, and then you just leave it for like half a minute if that, and it'll be ready to buzz again. So to get the job done, you want to get some food in you. You could eat these. I mean, they're kind of like, if I left until tomorrow, it would be very questionable. Like, they won't like probably make you ill or anything, but how should I put it? They're very pongy as they are now, but they're just like sweetened and sugared up. But that's the whole advantage of having a Vitamix. You don't really waste things like this. You could probably get away with just about freezing these now. Obviously without the skins on. If you want to have a laugh at me, I did freeze some bananas with the skins on once. How's that for an epic fail? Live and learn, hey. And I'll use this powder stuff in varying amounts. So we just kind of eyeball it, go with them feels, you know. And we have some pumpkin seeds I need to use up, so throw them in. And as your milk of choice. Sometimes I'll 50-50 this with water, but I don't think I'm going to today. Throw it in raw. Another amazing stunt I've done with the Vitamix is leave the lid off. You turn it up straight onto high. Guess where it went? All up the wall and all over the ceiling. So yeah, that's just something else we do. Something you can do to get some good stuff in. Or if you're fasting, intermittent fasting or something, have one of these after 8 hours or 16-hour fast maybe. Again, there's all sorts of things I just play around with and do. See, you don't expect you're going to see my feet today. Leaving some value at the end of the video, people. External sources, outer things, alright? And everyone focuses on perhaps what someone said to them, or you know, other people's views on them. People say opinions. You need to understand that it doesn't matter, does it, really? You need to focus on, rather than the outer, the inner, in here. That's what matters. It's like whether we landed on the moon or not, whether we, you know, about exploring space and that. You need to sort out what's in here first, the inner versus what's going on out there. P-raw over and out. Check out my feet. 500 kilometre feet they are.